Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So there is last week's spread using the Aspen kit from Let's Plan It. You guys have been wanting to see just what an after the pen looks like. So this week, for the week of January 24th through 30th, I don't have a kit per se. I have stickers, deco stickers from Together with KX. I'm gonna try and bring in some of these page circles from Create with Mandy. And I think the washi that I'm gonna use is just the newest one that I got as a Christmas present from my friend Adrian that just arrived today. And I love that combination. Ooh, maybe? No, too much. Yeah, but that is what I'm using today. Let's get started. So I'm gonna try for as much as possible to talk through this. However, if you can kind of tell, my voice is a little croaky. I got whatever Henry had. It wasn't COVID, thankfully, but cough and a sore throat right now is not fun. So I'm going to use this new washi. And if you guys watched my week's video, yes, I did paint my nails since doing my week's video. So let's go there. Oh no, higher. Okay, so yeah, this past week has been a little bit crazy because now Henry is home for online schooling, but Robin is not. So they made the decision that Henry's class, because there were so many cases of COVID in his class, they decided to make his class online. But I still have to drop off Robin at school. I don't know, it doesn't completely make sense to me either. I'm gonna add some of this. So this last week has been kind of up and down for me because I've had Henry home with me for the last week just as a precaution, and he doesn't have COVID, thankfully. But yeah, and then to have to do online schooling with him while still having to drop off Robin at school is not fun. So, all right. Oh, I love that already. I do have ink on my hands. I also just came from hanging out with Adrian. We went to Stylist and I got 3 new bottles of Pilot Iroshizuku ink, courtesy of my husband, Christmas present from him. All right. So, what I think I'm gonna do is use basically a combination of everything. I'm gonna take this big couch and actually place it down here with a bit of washi, because I think the washi just adds so much to it. Oh yeah. Oops. And I don't mind that I'm probably gonna cut off a little bit of where I'm gonna add the B for the meal planning. That is okay. Oh, I love that. What brush pens am I using? I think I'm using this green, but I feel like I could be using like a brown. What do I have? This could possibly work. Ooh, possibly, but I still think it's not that might work. So I think I'm gonna use these two together. Yes. I don't know, those two and these two. I think those two, okay. This is all in the process. Normally I do this before. But yeah, so in my previous week, I didn't use emojis when I was setting up this spread, but I did use emojis as I went through the rest of my week. And I think I'm gonna do the same, just to make this planning quicker. And I say quicker, but here I am taking my sweet time. All right, so using my Tombow Duo brush pen, the the number is 192, and then going in with my Tombow Fudenosuke. I should actually get another one of these. I'm going to create my sleep tracker, and the fountain pen that I am using is my Pilot Kakuno in extra fine, and the ink that I have in here is currently Noodler's Lexington Gray. And I think this is the only fountain pen that I have that I use the Lexington or the Noother's inks in, because they are such wet inks that everything else, it just feels like it's too much. But this is the only one I feel like it works really well. Then for the brown, for workouts, and if you guys aren't familiar with how I keep track of my sleep score, I get all of the information through my Fitbit. Ugh, fluff. And then I'm going in and writing out my workouts for the week. And the program that I'm doing right now is called Lift 4. And it's through Beachbody. And I've had my Beachbody subscription for over a year now. Week 3. And the reason that I got it was because I was doing a lot of like free workouts via YouTube, and there's some great ones, but I was just getting bored and I needed something with a bit more structure. So I decided to try out Beachbody, and I love it. I love the structure, and I've been doing Lift. I've done Lift 4 quite a few times because I do absolutely love it. So then here, I'm going to put a Let's Stay Home sticker because I kind of feel like I'm in that stage at the moment. All right, so then I'm going to go in and put down my work shifts here. So there, and I know that Wednesday I do have a meeting right at 9. And then going with the green. So sorry, this Tombow is 977 and the green one is 192. If you hear whining and groaning, that's Lucy under my desk. I'm going back in with the Tombow Fudenosuke. And then going in with my fountain pen and then drawing in the lines for work. Oh gosh, I'm already exhausted doing this. I don't really use a ruler, mainly because I find that when I use a ruler, I smudge it. Okay, so that is the day-to-day for work, and then I'm going to go ahead and then put in when I have to pick up Robin. Not both of the kids, but just Robin, because Henry will be at home with me. So instead of putting down stickers, I'm just using the Tombow dual brush pens to write in the dots. And then writing in pick up Robin. I am afraid of smudging it with my blotting paper. This blotting paper is a lifesaver. All right, so now that that's down, I feel like I could add some of these smaller stickers like in the empty spaces, but then I also, especially actually during my work shifts, because I don't normally fill those with much, so maybe I'll take some of the let's see, like this is really pretty decor, so I'm gonna take this sticker and place it over the weekend, because I don't need the hours before 9 o'clock on the weekend. Then oh my gosh, the laundry sticker. Oh yeah. One whole big honkin' sticker for laundry, because why not? I'm gonna place, these are so cute, and I think that I would get a lot of use of them in my daily pages as well. Ooh, I like this one. And I'm gonna combine that with some of the washi. I'm sorry if I'm now speaking very softly. Oh gosh, I love this washi. Where do I normally put my nails? Between the 1 and 2. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious, that's so cute. And then I'm gonna put one more maybe on Thursday and Friday. Which one? Maybe the one with the books or the candles. They're cute. With a bit of this. Oh my goodness. It is adorable. I say before I even put the sticker down, but gosh, oh. Sorry guys, my camera cut out when I put that sticker down. But basically what I was saying is that I really like compartmentalizing basically my meals down at the bottom and having a header for it, because it does break up the space a little bit so that, you know, the hours after midnight I don't really use, so I can still make the most of all the space in this planner spread. And so now I'm going to go in with my to-do list, but I still want to make use of these somehow. But I also want to make sure that I still leave enough for my daily spreads, because I will be using these, so as well as these. So what I think I'm going to do is grab my to-do stickers, which are right here. I also have to do in the blackout stickers. Gosh, I have so many. I gotta find those. Give me a sec. Okay, so the blackout to-do stickers. I love these, and I know they're a bit bigger than the HOBONICHI columns, but I actually really don't mind. I like the difference in the width. So Monday nights, I'm always meal planning and then ordering groceries to pick up on the Thursday. And then I'm actually going to put the reminder for garbages up on Wednesday morning. And garbages is always with a fun, I say fun, if I can get them out, emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. They always look so happy to be taking out the garbage. Then, gosh, I'm all over the place. You know what, I think I'm done with these ones. I think I'm done with these. So I'm going to put these to the side, and I'm going to find the grocery ones. These winter ones are cute because my husband will be picking up groceries on the Thursday evening, as he always does. And then on Friday night, I will be, what I normally do on a Friday night or Friday afternoon after work is film. Ooh, go in. So I'm normally filming my Plan With Me videos. Now, what do I want to use? There we go. I'm going to use one of these cute emojis. Oh yeah. Just right to film. I normally film my weeks and my cousin. And then on Saturday, we do have something that I, as a parent, am not necessarily looking forward to. Any parents who ever have to take their kids for shots or vaccines or anything like that, it is not a fun time, but it is something that we have to do, and it is at 2:30. Oh, and I covered it with laundry. Goodness gracious. And now I have to figure out what to do with that. Hold on. Okay, so I have the Jewel Tone Boxes sticker book here, and I'm going to take one of the Today stickers and place it here. Oh, I like the look of that. And I'm gonna write, actually, I don't know if that pen will be great for it. So I'm gonna get my Unival Signo. Okay, and then in the morning, we have our usual, well, Henry has his usual wall climbing. Okay, yeah, here's good. Okay, that's all I can think of so far for the moment for Saturday. And then Sunday is our big cleaning day. So that's when I normally like to take out one of these cleaning ninja emojis from Coffee Monsters Co. and basically list all the cleaning that we have to do. Sunday is normally our cleaning day, and before my work schedule changed to what it was, my work schedule used to be, I think, like 12:30 to 9. So 12:30 to 9, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Saturday and Sunday I worked like 9 to 5. So I didn't have time to clean on a Sunday, so I had to spread out my cleaning throughout the week. But now that my schedule is Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Sunday's cleaning day. And I do get the kids and Rob to help out as well, so it's not so overwhelming. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to put down is BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All right, so there is the overall finished spread. I actually really love the colors. It feels very fall, though. It feels very fall rather than middle of January, but I do love these deco sheets from Together with KX. She is also a fellow Canadian, and she actually lives in the same city that I do. So it's nice to be able to support shops that are pretty local to me. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.